Hi, I'm Amber Shasholka. I serve as the Public Relations Manager at Darien Lake Theme Park. Brain Drain is our newest water ride. It's 70 feet high, and it takes a capsule launch system and combines it with simultaneous compound curves. So guests actually step into the capsule, watch the floor disappear between their feet, and they go spiraling about 38 feet per second down these curves into a pool of water. Our number one priority is always our guest safety and, of course, our guest experience. So when it came time to adding scale, which is a safety feature, we wanted to make sure that it was the best experience for guests. When we began doing our initial research, we came across SR Scales numerous times. It became very apparent to us that SR Scales was the preferred scale company. And as we did more in-depth research, we realized that that was the company that we were wanting to go with and entrust our guest safety based on all of the reliability and value that we received. I think whenever you add a new ride or a new feature to a ride, it's always the communication to guests and making them understand the reason why you're doing something. So it's our responsibility to keep our guests safe and ensure that they understand why we're doing something. And it was very easy for us to communicate to our team members and to all of our guests that these scales were in place to not only keep them safe, but to provide them a really great experience when they were to ride Brain Drain. The scale has had minimal impact on the line flow. If anything, it has actually enhanced the line flow because of the locations of the two scales being one at the bottom and one at the top. Guests are able to get on the scale before they even get into line, so it doesn't interrupt the line at all. There's no disruptions in the line, and if anything, it's really helped the flow of the line. Our ride operators have actually embraced these scales so very much. They use it as an aid to help them communicate to guests the height and safety weight restrictions when it comes to Brain Drain. And if nothing more, it's as easy as just seeing a red light, green light system. If you're considering a scale for your park, I would definitely recommend SR Scales. It's such a great feature to add to your rides, to not ensure guest safety, but also to protect their integrity.